Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you the appointment functionality. With the appointment functionality, you let your customers make appointments themselves. Let's add an appointment page to our app. First click on Add Page, and then select Appointments. Under Entries, you can already see the first type of appointment. Let's say you are the proud owner of a paintball court and you want to manage your appointments with your app. An appointment could then be, for example, a paintball session. Let's configure this appointment. To do this, click on the available entry. Here you can first choose an image and define a name for this appointment. In addition to the description, you can also enter a location, in our case for example the address of your paintball field. Now you can enter the duration of the appointment. How long does a paintball session including the buffer last? Let's say a paintball session lasts 60 minutes and you need 30 minutes to prepare the place for the next match. Then an appointment has a duration of 1.5 hours, so we enter 90 minutes. Now you can enter your opening hours when the space can be booked. We leave the opening hours as they are. In addition to the normal opening hours, you can also enter individual days or a time window for which no appointment can be made. For example, you should specify your vacation times. You can also define slots. The number of slots indicates how many appointments of the same type you can offer at the same time. In a restaurant, for example, this would be the number of tables, in a nail design studio the number of available operator positions. In our case, we leave the number of slots at 1, as we only offer one paintball court. As you can see in the app previewer on the right, the user can now book an appointment. To do this, he first selects his desired date, then the corresponding time. This automatically calculates which date is still available so that only the free slots are suggested. Now he fills out a small input form. You can of course configure the form yourself. You can find more information about forms in our corresponding tutorial. Once the user has completed the appointment form, they can complete the booking. The customer can view the appointment directly on his smartphone and save it in his calendar. At the same time, the customer received an email with the appointment confirmation. You will also receive an email with the appointment booking. If you would like to send the confirmation emails to a different email address, you can configure this here. As soon as you have added an appointment page to your app, a new area called Calendar will appear in the main navigation in the app designer. Here you get an overview of all your booked appointments. The date that we have just set is also already visible here. After a click you can view the appointment details. And with the help of the actions move, delete or transfer the appointment to your calendar. You can also move appointments in the calendar using drag and drop. After this change, your customer will of course also receive a notification in the form of an email. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.